Hey, it's Sammy on July 22nd. We took 10 trades today for 236 points in Dow YM futures. Today was a little bit of an interesting day because the market was kind of range bound. We were really tight on the high time frames. It's where we usually anchor in our analysis, and we trade on the shorter time frames to really exploit that time efficiency. Let's take a dive in here and see how the market played out. So this is our first trade today. Now we're right before the open. The data is kind of skewing to the short side. You can see we're working yesterday's low, our sell Fibonacci or GAN right here, and we're working our way down all the way, trying to get to the overnight low and support one where there was a trap set earlier, but not enough data. It kind of breaks a little and then flops back against us and hits our break even. That's okay. On to the next trade. Now, if you look over to the left, that was the open right there. That market ran right up, smacked into the 23.6, did a nice little pullback. All that data flipped over. Notice when we were trading right before the open, the data was red. Now it's all green and lighting up to the long side. Here we go. We are going to get in this trade and we're going to lock in with a trailing stop of 40 points. All right, you can see here we are re-entering. We are safe to re-enter. Look at all that data. That is real-time data growing and growing and growing off of the open buying session. We are coming through pivot. We're breaking through the overnight high. This is an amazing trade. We love these every day. We are going to manually close when we hit this 50 Fibonacci level with 34 points. This is our signature SOTA reversal process right here. We are selling now off of the high of day and that 50 Fibonacci level. Now what we're doing is we're actually working our way back to value area high. You can see that we quickly lock in 54 points, hitting that take profit. Brokers are a little slippery today. We're getting kind of slow fills. That's okay. We're going short again. Look over to the left. That was our retest of value area high. Everything has shifted now. So we are going short again. Notice we had 40 points when we hit VWAP, that pink line. We should have locked in. We're a little late. We're going to lock in 28 points still manually on this trade. This move is not done. The high time frame data is decaying in real time. We're taking short time frame data as it's going to break through bull support. The bears are going to take over right here for a little run. Let's see how far we can go. As this is going, we're trailing really aggressively because we only have short time frame data. It's very high risk. The probability drops when you don't have a confluence of data, but those moves are still solid. Look, we're trailing with 50 points on our trailing stop. Now you'll see that how this trailing stop, how this break-even strategy works to protect us when we're using short time frame data, especially when we're trading around this VPOC area. It's very risky. It's very rangy. We've taken a lot of great moves, so we're taking some riskier trades. We're going to make sure we have our stop loss set to break even, and we're going to get hit here. We'll try it again. Same zone. You can see we're just taking that short time frame data. Anytime we do that, we want to protect that trade immediately. So we're going to move that stop loss to a break-even position. And you can see how that protects us. We're going to just move on and look for the next opportunity. This is the thing now. All the data flipped over the other way. We're coming through our checkpoints, all right? So we got an hour checkpoint up top, a 30-minute checkpoint we're smashing through right here. We probably should have just locked in 30 points because we have really slow short time frame data. It's not very aggressive, and we're going to end up with another break even here. Now it took off for about an hour or two and came back. The market had did nothing while I was gone, consolidated really nicely. Now the data is firing. We're coming out of here and we're going to take this trade. This is really good. We're breaking through the top here. There's a trend line over on one of my other charts. no problem, just coming right through the breakout at the top of the range. It was range bound a lot today. So here we go, and we're gonna trail, and we're gonna actually end up here with 30 points on this last trade.